Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Compare the Carrier's YouTube channel, where we delve into everything transport related. Today, we're shifting gears and exploring the fascinating intersection of TV, movies, and vehicles in our new video, How Vehicle Selection Shapes Character Perception. So, let's roll. Every detail in TV shows and movies is meticulously planned, especially the vehicles characters drive. They help shape our understanding of the character's personality, status, and motivations. Consider James Bond's Aston Martin DB5. This classic, sleek, and high-tech vehicle perfectly mirrors Bond's suave, sophisticated, and gadget-loving nature. Now, let's shift to the whimsical mystery machine from Scooby-Doo. This van's eccentric and colorful design echoes the fun, adventurous spirit of the Scooby Gang. It's more than a mode of transport, it's a reflection of their identity. Even mundane vehicles can tell a powerful story. The less-than-stylish Pontiac Aztek in Breaking Bad encapsulates Walter White's initial struggle with his ordinary life before he, breaks bad. Whether it's the elegance of the Aston Martin or the humility of the Pontiac Aztek, the vehicles chosen are not just set dressing, but an integral part of storytelling. They not only tell us more about the character, but also enhance the overall narrative. So next time you're watching a movie or a TV show, take a moment to consider why a character drives the vehicle they do. You might gain a deeper understanding of their character, providing a fresh perspective on the story. And remember, at Compare the Carrier, we appreciate that your vehicle is a part of your story. Whether it's a car, motorcycle, ATV, boat, RV, or heavy equipment, we can help you find the right transport solution. That's it for today's trip through TV and movie history. If you found this video intriguing, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.